Every once in a while we get an old one in at West Delray Collision Center in Delray Beach, Florida. We sprayed the entire right side of this car, did some great paint and body work. Not too many shops can finish their plastic work and make the car look like glass down the side. I think everybody had one of these at one time in the 80s, man. This was the car to have, the 560 SL. This thing's in great condition. Gonna be another very, very happy customer at West Delray Collision Center. Your Audi Tesla certified repair shop, all makes and models.